Okay, DC10. Okay, here we go, viewers. Okay, they're just about to start a demo. Great. Famous audio Tekne from Japan. DC audio.
So that's our smallest loudspeaker.
What model is
The
that?
Berlin R.
That's the Berlin R. Okay.
We hope to show the Gothenburg, which is our largest speaker, which is a speaker really designed for this kind of music.
Mm-hmm. Didn't we see that in Munich?
No, you saw
No.
the Kabuki.
That's okay. Okay.
Also a wonderful speaker. So this is where they start. They go to the Britain 2 and all the way up to the Gothenburg, which is a 6 foot tall horn loudspeaker with a 32-inch woofer that we modify with a whizzer cone and different magnet.
Oh, very cool.
Yeah, really going to be excited. But we had a problem at the last minute. It's going to be at the Hyatt along with Magico.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah.
Well, good. Well, we'll keep up the great work.
You like it?
Yeah, we love it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's great.
Thank you.
Great sound, and congrats on a great room.
Audio
here.
Techniques.
Yeah.
These are
Audio Techniques are
magnificent huge.
electronics.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're just some of the world's best.
Absolutely right.
Absolutely. Yep.
Yep.
Great.
Thank you so much.
Yep. Great demonstration. Thank you very much. Okay. Take care.